Hey there, Chris here, and talking about my ultimate Deep Creek Lake, Maryland map. Right now you can see it in the poster version. This is one of two formats it's going to be available in. This poster will be 24 inches wide by 36 inches tall, printed on glossy poster paper, heavy duty poster paper. This format is easily frameable. You can go to pretty much any big box store and get a poster frame in that size right off the shelf for about $20. Or you can elect to get a nicer one for much more money, but the choice is yours, but it's easy to get something like this framed. So the map shows Deep Creek Lake, Maryland, and I think this is the best map ever made of Deep Creek. Let's zoom in a little bit and check out some of the stuff you'll see on the map. First off, you've got the lake depth here, color coded, so as you get into some of these coves, it goes from blue to red, for blue being the deepest, red is the shallowest. We've got points of interest around the lake, public access for fishing, gas docks for boating, the boat launch, and different cove names throughout the lake. All of the location of the buoys that are throughout the lake, the danger buoys, the slow no wake buoys that's the mouths of some of the coves. We've got off of the lake, we've got different land areas marked. So we have the state park here. Within the state park, all of the trails are all marked and labeled. Roads throughout the county. We have county roads, 219. We have state highways on here as well. We have natural features like local peaks and creek names, churches, just other kind of points of interest and landmarks throughout the area. And zooming out, you just really see that all of that data throughout the whole map. The numbers indicate the different community names in the area, in the lake area, and you can look those up down here in this lookup table. The numbers go clockwise numerically around the lake generally, so if you find something here in the alphabetical list, it should be easy to find them here on the lake. And then throughout the lake, in kind of the empty spots, we have text descriptions of some of the interesting areas: Garrett College, Wisp Resort, the McHenry Community Park, near and dear to me. A lot of great stuff of information about the lake and the area that you just really won't find anywhere else all on one map. And going down here, you see the legend of all the different layers that we have in this map that I went over most of those. You could spend hours just drilling in and seeing all this stuff. We have the lake rule band, which is the lake level that the operator of the dam is required to attempt to keep the lake level at. So you'll be able to see at any time of year what you can expect the lake level to be. And then we've got all the other stuff of the map, the scale, information about the where the data came from, and all of that. But in addition to having tons of information all in one spot, I think it's just a very beautiful, visually appealing way of looking at the lake as well. As I said, this is the poster format. There'll be a fold-up map version that will be exactly the same map, except essentially cut in half. The top will be one side of the map, the bottom will be the other side of the map. Some of this stuff may shift around to make the fold-ups work a little better, but it'll be exactly the same map, printed on two sides on waterproof and tear-resistant paper. That's going to be great for your boat. So I hope you will help make this project happen. This Kickstarter will launch in late March, and we expect that if we are successfully fund the whole amount that we need to, we'll be able to get these printed and delivery in May of 2023. They'll be printed here in the USA and, of course, designed, and all the layout is done here in Garrett County at Deep Creek Lake. So like I said, I hope you help support this project, and I hope to see you out and about on the lake and out in Garrett County.